Respected Speaker Sir, I will present a few things to participate in the discussion of the motion of thanks and extend a note of gratitude to the Honorable President for his inspiring speech. The President's speech is a reflection of the determination and resolve of 130 crore citizens of India even in this difficult and challenging period. How does this country choose its path, treads on this path, and marches ahead while achieving its goals? The President has mentioned all these things in detail in his address. Every single word in his address instills a new faith in the countryman and inspired every citizen to do something for their country. For this, no number of words will be sufficient to express our gratitude. There has been more than 15-hour discussion in this house, almost until 12 in the midnight. All our honorable MPs have kept this consciousness awakened. They engaged in robust and lively discussions with utmost ownership. I sincerely extend my heartfelt thanks all the honorable members who participated in this discussion. I would especially like to express my gratitude to our women MPs because they had more involvement in this discussion and demonstrated sharp intellect with an effort to back every idea with careful research. I am especially grateful to all these women MPs and congratulate them for their wisdom and the way they had prepared and presented themselves. Their valuable logical insights enriched the House and the discussion immensely. Honorable Speaker Sir, India is in a way at the threshold of 75th year of our independence. Reaching such a milestone of 75 years is a matter of immense pride for every Indian. It is a celebration of our future progress. Hence, despite belonging to any social community or corners of Indian geography, being anywhere in the social or economic strata, we all have together been inspired by our independence and have resolved to reach 2047 with new fervor when India will celebrate 100 years of its freedom. We have 25 years in front of us to achieve a century of Indian independence. In these 25 years, how far the nation should progress and where should the country be positioned on the global map should be in the vision of all Indians. It is the responsibility of the Parliament, the divine earth, and this conglomeration to provide this ecosystem for development.